from remote villages and urban slums with low income cannot afford the cost of sanitary pads. This has resulted into most girls being victims of circumstances through rape, early pregnancy, child labor, and stigma.
Available sanitary towels have proved to pollute the environment as they are non-biodegradable. Therefore, there is need to have alternative sanitary towels which are reusable, biodegradable, and above all, affordable for all. Msafi Sanitary Pad is a girl environmental friendly sanitary kit made of Msafi Sanitary reusable towel, Msafi Organic detergent, Msafi Organic freshener, Msafi Organic lotion, Msafi dry cleaner, and Msafi adjustable paint. All this inclusive in one kit for girls and women.
The pads are designed and made from biodegradable fibers of pure cotton. It has 3 lining layers. The innermost layer made of thin layer menses absorbing property. The mid layer that forms a buffer that prevents passage of menses to the outer lining. The outer layer regulates aeration and maintains temperature by absorbing excess heat that might bring discomfort to the user.
Unlike other sanitary towels, Msafi comes in a full package kit, which is made with other requirements like detergent for cleaning. The detergent is biodegradable, hence has no effect to the environment and to the user.
The detergent has the ability to remove all blood stain from the sanitary towels without leaving any stain spots. The Msafi dry cleaner uses both solar and UV radiation to eliminate any chance of microbial contamination on the sanitary towels. This ensures safety for the user when the towel is being reused.
Msafi lotions and fresheners improves the aroma as they are scented. They are sprayed on the towel after dry cleaning them. Msafi notepad is also provided to the users on how to use their components as well as menstrual hygiene awareness. When this new kit is adopted, there will be sigh of hope in most girls and women from poor families, and also reduction in environmental pollution by those other conventional sanitary pads.
Since we are social enterprise, our business model will be 80% B2C model, as we will be in direct contact with the client girls. The other 20% of the marketing will be B2B model from the retailer. For our wider market coverage, we are partnering with schools, NGOs to reach out to more girls who might be in need of this commodity.
We are a team of 4 girls who coordinate the activities of production, marketing, and networking for investors. We are driven by the passion to see every girl out there having a good, healthy life.
We believe in teamwork and commitment for prosperity.
I'm Roshli Asa, the CEO and founder of Msafi Company, a team player who coordinates the activities at Msafi Company.
From production departments, I have been a production manager, George Masika.
From Msafi Company to acquire more customers and scale up its market, Tumaini William is a competent sales and marketing manager.
A highly motivated entrepreneur and self-driven innovator with years of experience in developing and executing successful innovations is Helen Asila, in charge of finance and accounting at Msafi Company. Cradle Cap, we seek your financial support so as we can save our environment and young girls whose fate lie on Msafi for their menstrual health.